Okay, cameras are rolling. Rubik's Cube next. Rubik's Cube here. Okay. Today, I will be teaching you how to solve a 3x3 Rubik's Cube. See this right? See this beautiful, lovely thing right here? So first thing you gotta do before you, whoa, let me slow down. First thing you gotta do before anything, before solving Rubik's Cube, is you gotta mix it up, obviously. And now it's mixed up. It doesn't take that much to mix up a Rubik's Cube. Doesn't take too many moves. So don't keep doing it to if somebody's mixing it up for you. Don't do like a million moves. It's not gonna. You can always solve every mix up with 20 moves. All right. So first thing you got to do. The first step. Just got to make this we got to make the daisy, right? So first off things. That's quite the sentence that I just said. All right. First off, we got to match these little white pieces. These little white. Okay. So look, we got an orange and a white here. So it's already up on the yellow. So that we don't got to do nothing with that. Next, we're gonna do this blue piece right here. See, it's blue and white. We're gonna want to match this up. So for me, I could just do this, then do that, then do that. Now it is in the right spot, as you can see. So what you want to do is you just want to do that with all the other edges. So we're just gonna do that, and now we got the red. Now we're gonna get the green. So now we got the white daisy. As you can see, you gotta remember these have to be the same color. You can't just do this. That's not right. Because what we're gonna do next is we're gonna bring these down. We're gonna bring all of them down to make the white cross. See? As you can see, you got that. It's the right spot. So now you got the white cross. Now the next thing you want to do is you want to get the corners. Get the corners in, right? So the way you do that is you find one of these white pieces, right? You'll look at these two colors. So look, you got green and white, and not green and white, green and red. So we're gonna bring those. We're gonna bring this over to the green and red centers. Green and red centers. Remember that. So then the move. Oh my gosh, this is a short little algorithm that you need to learn to do this. It's called a sexy move. We're just gonna call it a righty algorithm for now. Got that from the tutorial that I watched. So it's just like this. Hold on, wait. Let me. Boom. Whoa. Righty algorithm. Boom. 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 Until that centerpiece gets in there. So okay, then we just do that for the rest. So now you got the orange, and the green. You got that and the orange and the greens with the orange and the green centers, and we just do that move one more time. We're gonna do the left version. We're gonna call it a lefty algorithm. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna do left up, then you're gonna do up, right, yeah, up to the right. Then you're gonna put it down. And remember, you gotta do this when you're done with that, right? So now we're just gonna do that with the rest. So now you got that. Then for the final one, the final edge, we just do it one more time. All right. Next thing we gotta do is we gotta get all these edges in. We gotta get all these edges in. So let's say we do the red and the green, right? So we're gonna bring this over to the green, and now we're gonna put this over to the left. No, wait, nope. We're gonna put this over to the left. Right. We're gonna put this over to the right of the green. Right? So then what you wanna do the lefty algorithm. One time, boom, 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 boom. You wanna turn it around, and you wanna do this. Then you wanna do a righty algorithm. Boom, 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 boom. Now you got that edge in there. Next thing you want to do, you're going to get the rest of the edges in, obviously. So we got the orange and the green, put it on the green, turn it to the left. This time we're going to do the righty algorithm. So we're going to do boom, 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 turn it around, boom, 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 boom. So now you got that edge in. And now we're going to do the final edge. We're just going to do it. Boom. Now, there's two things you can do. There's three things you can get. There's three cases you can get for this. This is case one. I'm gonna call it the hook. So for the hook, what you want to do is you want to do the front turn. Then we're gonna do three sexy moves or righty algorithms. 1, 2, boom, 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 boom. All right, no, 2. You're gonna do 2 righty algorithms. Now you got that yellow cross. Another case you can get is the line, where you're just gonna do the same thing but one time. So, boom. Now you just do one sexy move. And now for the final case that you can get, it is the dot. So what you want to do is you want to do the front turn. Look. You're going to do front right, front to the right. You're going to do the sexy moves. You're going to do the righty algorithm, let's say 3 times. So that's 1, that's 2. Then you're going to reverse that front move, and now you get the line. So you're going to just do the now we got that line horizontally. Yeah. Then make sure it is like this whenever you do it. So then we do the front right. Then we do the righty algorithm 1 time. And now you get that yellow cross. Now the next step you do is you wanna align these edges correctly. What you want to do, how you do that, is you do what's called a Soon algorithm. And what that basically is you have this. Okay, so look, you have the two solid edges right here, and you want one to the right and one in the back. So look, what you want to do is you want to do it's very simple. Okay, wait. So then we align the edges correctly. Now there is another case you can get. I think I can try. There's another case where you can get where there are two edges on each side. What you want to do is you just want to do that. You would want to do that 1 time, and then what you want to do is do that 1 time, and then flip that 2 times. Okay, so you do the Soon algorithm, and then you'll flip it till that's like correctly. Then you'll do the Soon algorithm, but to the left, with the left. So look, I got it. Let me show you exactly how you do that. So what you want to do is you want to do the Soon algorithm to the right first. Now you do a left. You do the up to the left 2 times. And now you got these two edges correctly. Now you want to do the same algorithm on the left this time. So we're going to do this. Boom, 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 boom. And now you got all these correctly. And you got all the edges correct, as you can see. Now the next thing you want to do is you want to get these corners. You want to get these corners not oriented, in the correct spots. The way you do that is you want to do a Nicholas algorithm. So let me show you that. A Nicholas algorithm is you want to find the two edges, or not two edges, one corner that's in the right spot. In that case, that would be this one. And you want to do this. So you want to do this algorithm like this. So no, wait. We're going to hold it to the left. Hold it to the left. And we're going to do this. We're going to do right, up. We're going to do freaking up to the right, left up to the left, and then we reverse that one right move. We do up to the left, reverse that left move, up to the right. And there's multiple things you can do with this, but you really just gotta find how that is, and you just gotta do it. You gotta find whichever one of these are, and you'll get. This is one of the cases that you can get. Hold on. Sometimes you gotta do it multiple times. So, like, for example, I had to do this one 3 times. And now this is one of the cases. What you want to do is you want to flip it over. And you just want to do a righty algorithm until this solves. Make sure to have this facing the right. So you want to do a righty algorithm 2 times. And now we're going to bring this to the right. And we're going to do a reverse righty algorithm. We're going to do a reverse of that, okay? So we're just going to do this. Up left, right up right, and reverse that right move. We're going to do that one more time. So that will look like this. And now, you got that solved. Well, let me show you the other cases. This is another case that you can get. So this is just 3 aligned. 3 and like, so you're just going to want to do a reverse righty algorithm. So we're going to just do this 3 times. We're going to do this 2 times. Boom, 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 boom. Now that's correct. Don't make sure not to turn. Don't turn. You gotta flip it like this, or else it won't solve. Then we do this one more time, and then now you solved. And this is another one. Instead of doing it the reverse way, instead of doing it reversed, you're just gonna do the righty algorithms 2 times until they both solve. So we're just gonna do this. Make sure to turn. Always make sure to turn and not rotate. Or, Then we do this. We do it one more time. And now it's solved. In the final case, I believe this is the final case, it's when they're just across from each other. Once again, you just do the same thing as from when they're when they're no, there's one more case. You just do the same thing. Reverse righty algorithm. Turn 2 times. Regular righty algorithm. Now this is the final case that you can get. So what you want to do for this case, you just want to do a righty algorithm, a reverse righty algorithm for the one that's facing you. So this is facing you, if this yellow is facing you, to do a reverse righty algorithm. If it's facing to the side, facing to the right, then you're going to do 2 regular righty algorithms. And now it's solved. That's my tutorial video. Thank you for watching. If this helped you, leave a like. It probably didn't, because I feel like it didn't really explain very well. Hopefully it's helped somebody. Thanks for watching.